Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to Shazam a song on someone's Snapchat story. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Snapchat app and make sure you're logged in. If you want to identify a song that's playing on a friend's story, go to the main camera screen and tap on the person's icon at the bottom. Here, access the target story and then press and hold anywhere on the display. Snapchat will automatically start listening to the audio using its built-in Shazam integration. If this doesn't work, swipe up on the story and the song used in the story will be mentioned at the bottom. Simply tap on it and it will start playing. Alternatively, tap on the music tag that is being displayed on the story and the same interface will appear. So that's basically how you can Shazam a song on someone's Snapchat story. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.